Today we are going to discuss topic Mendeleev's periodic classification part 2 from chapter Periodic Classification of Elements, class 10th Science. As in the previous videos, part 1, we have discussed about the Mendeleev's periodic law and the merits of Mendeleev's periodic classification. बेटा मेंडलीव का जो क्लासिफिकेशन था it was based on atomic mass. Atomic mass was considered to be the fundamental property. So what were the anomalies, drawbacks of Mendeleev's classification of element? First, no fixed position can be given to hydrogen in the periodic table. Mendeleev could not assign a correct position to hydrogen in his table. What was the reason? The reason was electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. बेटा हाइड्रोजन का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है it resembles alkali metal group 1 element which have one electron in its outermost shell. On the other hand, just like halogens, it also combines with metals and non-metals to form covalent compound. Halogens, it means group 17th element. हेलोजेंस की तरह हाइड्रोजन मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स के साथ कंबाइन करके कोवेलेंट कंपाउंड भी बनाता है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स प्रॉपर्टी हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट कुड बी प्लेस्ड इन एल्कली मेटल ग्रुप एज वेल एज हेलोजन ग्रुप. क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन की प्रॉपर्टीज़ फर्स्ट ग्रुप एलिमेंट एल्कली मेटल से भी रिजेंबल करती हैं एंड 17th ग्रुप हेलोजन से भी रिजेंबल करती हैं. सो hydrogen could be placed in alkali metal group as well as halogen group. But in the Mendeleev's periodic table, it was placed with the alkali metal group. Mendeleev could not explain about this. Second, isotopes of all elements posed a challenge to Mendeleev's periodic law. What are isotopes? Beta, isotopes are the atoms of same elements having similar chemical property, same atomic number but different atomic masses. Isotopes एक ही एलिमेंट के एटम्स हैं जिनका एटॉमिक नंबर और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज सेम होते हैं बट एटॉमिक मासेस आर डिफरेंट. Isotopes were placed at the same place in the Mendeleev's periodic table. For example, element chlorine has two isotopes, 35Cl17 and 37Cl17. having atomic masses 35U and 37U respectively. क्लोरीन के जो दो आइसोटोप्स हैं दोनों का जो मास है इट इज़ डिफरेंट. 35Cl17 का मास 35U है एंड 37Cl17 का मास 37U है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू Mendeleev's classification, because isotopes have different masses, they should be given the different positions in the periodic table. But these isotopes were placed in the same group of the periodic table. This could not be explained by the Mendeleev. So the isotopes, they posed a challenge to the Mendeleev's periodic law. Third, wrong order of atomic masses. Another drawback of Mendeleev's classification was a wrong order of atomic masses of some elements. मेंडलीव का जो पीरियोडिक टेबल था इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस बट हियर वी कैन सी देयर आर सम एलिमेंट्स वेयर एलिमेंट्स विद हायर एटॉमिक मासेस कम्स फर्स्ट एंड एलिमेंट्स विद लोअर एटॉमिक मासेस कम्स लेटर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी सी एलिमेंट कोबाल्ट एंड निकल, कोबाल्ट हैज़ एटॉमिक मास ऑफ 58.9 U and nickel has atomic mass of 58.7 U. तो अगर हम इन्हें इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक मास के बेस पे अरेंज करें, निकल शुड कम फर्स्ट एंड कोबाल्ट शुड कम लेटर. बट इन द Mendeleev's periodic table, cobalt was placed earlier as compared to nickel. So Mendeleev's periodic law could not explain about this wrong order of atomic masses. This is the Mendeleev's periodic table. 8 ग्रुप में बेटा अगर आप देखें आयरन, कोबाल्ट एंड निकल, they are placed together. Cobalt has atomic mass of 58.93 and nickel has atomic mass 58.71. Cobalt is placed earlier as compared to nickel, जबकि कोबाल्ट का जो मास है वो निकल के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा है. So Mendeleev could not explain about this wrong order of atomic masses. The failure of Mendeleev's periodic law to explain the position of isotopes, a wrong order of atomic masses of some elements, and the position of hydrogen suggested that atomic mass cannot be the basis for the classification of elements. मेंडलीव के क्लासिफिकेशन और इससे पहले न्यूलैंड का क्लासिफिकेशन, डेबर्नियर के क्लासिफिकेशन, all were based on atomic mass. In all these classification, atomic mass was considered to be a fundamental property. But the failure of Mendeleev's periodic classification suggested कि atomic mass fundamental property नहीं है, and then it was found later on that the fundamental property was atomic number. Thank you.